Welcome to Still Works and Brewing. This is a channel that's all about home distillation and brewing. I just want to welcome everybody. Today what we're going to do is I'm going to show you how easy it is to fill a keg. After brewing for a while, a lot of people like to move on to filling a keg because it's a lot less work than bottling. I still do bottle some beers, but mostly I like to keg, mainly because it's easier. Okay, so what we first have to do is we have to disassemble the keg. Now I got some star sand in there. We're going to start putting all the little parts in there. Take a wrench, and you'll notice on the keg, it says in here, gas in. Okay, so we'll take out that fitting. Sometimes they're a little fun to get out. So we'll take that fitting out, drop it in there. All right. And if you notice, I wanted to show you, if you notice on this nut on the gas, it's got notches in it on the nut part itself. So that's so you'll know it's for the gas. Then we'll take out the standpipe. Drop that in there. And then this is the standpipe. Alright. So what I'm going to do, I've already rinsed and all that. So what I want to do is I'm going to put some star sand in there. And you want to get everything. So we took like they say, don't fear the foam, okay? Because it won't harm you, it won't hurt the flavor of the beer or anything like that. So everything's nice and clean and sanitized. And I'll make sure I put this, it says in. So that's the standpipe for the beer to come out. Make sure everything's nice and sanitized, clean. Alright, so that one will be going there. Now this one is for the gas. They'll have like a real little sandpipe. It goes in there. I like to push the valves down and get it all in. And that screws on there. I mean, the biggest thing is just make sure everything's clean and sanitized. That one. Okay, so what I'm going to do next is I'll siphon my finished beer into there, and then we'll put the lid on, and I'll show you how to check leaks. I'll be right back. Okay, so I transferred my beer into the keg. And this is the lid for it. You get a rubber gasket, like O-ring gasket that goes right around there. and then you'll just put it in there kind of sideways, flip around till you kind of center it. Sometimes it'd be a little tricky. And then you snap the lid down, okay? You get rid of this. And then what you're going to do, the way I check for leaks, is I lay it on the table. Now the liquid's all, around that lid there. Take a paper towel and see if anything's leaking. And I don't see anything leaking. Okay, what I forgot to tell you is there's two different ways of carbonation. I know some people, they put their priming sugar into the keg, carbonate it that way. I particularly will put it in my kegerator and let it get cold, and then what I will do is I'll put just a gas on it and put it up to about 30 psi, and then after it gets cold, put about 30 psi, and then I'll shake it on the floor like this, right? And you'll be able to hear the bubble going into the liquid, and you just do that, I don't know, 12, 15 times, and you bubble, 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 then put it back in your kegerator tomorrow, or the next day, and then you can drop your pressure back down to your serving pressure, put it on tap, and enjoy. I just wanted to show you how easy it is to keg beer. It's a well worth investment. Okay, so I want to thank you for watching. Enjoy the adventure. We'll see you next time.